Great, and welcome to Positive Action for today. Today, we are going to be looking at our 8 gifts again in resources and looking a little bit more into time. Now, the 8 gifts that we looked at are the gifts that everybody has: actions, feelings, talents, thoughts, time, energy, possessions, and money. Now, time is when something happens, a period of seconds, minutes, hours. We all have the same amount of time. We all get exactly 24 hours in each day. People who use positive actions to manage or care for their time wisely feel good about themselves and what they are doing. They plan ahead, set goals and priorities, and do unpleasant tasks before having fun. They don't procrastinate or put things off. Let's talk about these positive actions. Each one contributes to a good self concept and feeling happy and successful. Now, we all have the option to manage our time wisely. And I want to show you what that kind of looks like. So for our day, we have our time blocked out. Everyone has the same amount of time to get the same amount of work done. So organizing it and looking at how much time you should be spending on each activity helps you be successful in school. Now, I, as a teacher, do the same thing. So when you are doing things during your read alouds and your grammar, then I have a separate schedule of when I'm grading your work and when I'm making videos for the following days, and it helps me stay organized during my days. So I want you to think of some examples of how we can do positive actions to manage our time wisely. So maybe we could make a schedule, plan out our week, do the hard things first, or even waiting to have fun. Now, today in your activity, you will have the opportunity to plan your time from after school until you go to bed. Right now, in the column titled, What I Plan to Do Today, I want you to write one activity or job you plan to do after school, then one before dinner, then one after dinner, and you can write one before bedtime. Tomorrow, you can see how well you followed your plan. I'll leave this up for today so you can look at it. We are only going to do one day for this. If you would like to continue the other days, you can write this on a separate piece of paper and see if you can meet your goals to get done. Maybe you want to make sure you brush your teeth before you go to bed. Maybe you want to make sure you have all of your work done before you play any other games. Writing out a plan can help you have positive self-concept and be a happier, healthier person.